Welcome to Lucrative Elegance. Today, we're diving into how colors can be your greatest ally or your worst enemy when it comes to confidence and elegance. Did you know that red, for example, can evoke admiration or discomfort depending on the shade and the situation? Now imagine a woman who truly understands this and uses colors to her advantage, effortlessly commanding any room. That's where the science of colors comes into play. Pause and reflect. How many times have you chosen an outfit because it looked great on the hanger, only to feel something was off when you wore it? Maybe you tried a pastel tone, expecting it to add softness, but instead, it left you feeling washed out. This happens because colors don't just communicate with the world around us, they also directly influence how we feel about ourselves. In other words, the wrong choice can diminish your presence and mute your personality. The good news? You can learn to use the right colors to bring out the best in you. Take Kate Middleton, for instance. She's a master at this. Have you noticed how she often chooses shades of blue for diplomatic engagements? It's a strategy. Blue conveys calmness and authority. But here's the catch. If you don't know how to leverage your palette, even the best intentions can leave you looking ordinary. What if I told you there's a simple formula for choosing colors that boost your confidence and communicate exactly what you want? On our channel, we now offer automatic dubbing in 10 languages, so no matter where you're from, you can turn on subtitles or switch the audio to enjoy it in your preferred language. Plus, in the pinned comment, you'll find links to elegant pieces that will ensure you always make the right choice. If you're ready to make your elegance a lucrative asset and master the art of dressing with purpose, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and give us a like. Why blend in when you can stand out and be unforgettable? How colors shape your image and influence who you are in the world. Have you ever noticed how a red dress can completely transform the energy of the person wearing it? That's because colors aren't just about aesthetics. They carry profound meanings that influence how you're perceived. Red, for example, is associated with passion, power, and even danger. It's a bold choice, but one that could backfire in situations where neutrality is key. Understanding what each color communicates is essential for crafting the image you want to project. People tend to see women in red as more confident and attractive, but the same color can create discomfort in corporate environments where diplomacy is expected. This makes color choices a strategic decision. So, how do you balance authenticity with context? Think about brands like Coca-Cola, which masterfully uses red to convey energy and excitement, or Facebook, which relies on blue to inspire trust and stability. These choices aren't accidental. They're grounded in science, a science you can apply to your wardrobe. Just as major corporations use color psychology to boost sales, you can use it to sell your image. Now picture someone like Amal Clooney. When she's in court, she doesn't wear red to argue a case. Instead, she opts for shades like gray or navy blue, projecting professionalism and respect. At a gala dinner, however, a striking red gown amplifies her presence. This deliberate use of color helps her communicate precisely what she wants in each scenario. Mastering the psychology of color isn't superficial. It's an essential skill for aligning your message with your purpose. Why does this matter so much? Because colors shape how you feel about yourself, often without you even realizing it. Behavioral psychology experiments reveal that people wearing light blue report feeling calmer in high-pressure situations, while darker shades like black can boost their sense of authority. But there's a catch. Black can also come across as cold and distant. The key is finding a balance between emotional impact and situational appropriateness. Wearing black to a funeral signals respect, but the same choice at a wedding could feel out of place. The challenge lies in understanding these nuances and using them to highlight your essence without disregarding the context. The takeaway? Colors speak even when you say nothing at all. The question is, will you let them undermine you, or will you use them to reinforce the message you want to convey? How colors influence your confidence and how others perceive you. Did you know that biologically, colors activate specific areas of the brain that directly affect your emotions? When you wear yellow, for example, your mind associates it with sunlight, triggering the production of serotonin, the happiness hormone. This happens because, throughout evolution, we've linked yellow to survival and energy. However, in a corporate environment, that same yellow might be interpreted as a lack of seriousness. In other words, the color that boosts your confidence could paradoxically harm your image, depending on the context. People wearing shades of blue to job interviews are often perceived as more trustworthy and competent. Blue activates areas of the brain associated with calmness and stability. Yet, if overused, it might give off an impression of coldness and inaccessibility. So, how can you balance wearing colors that enhance your confidence confidence without losing your connection with those observing you. The impact of colors extends beyond yourself. When someone sees a vibrant color like red, their brain registers an alert. Pay attention. Red increases heart rate and is associated with dominance. That makes it an excellent choice if your goal is to stand out at a social event. But if you're aiming to convey safety and neutrality in a delicate meeting, red might create discomfort for those around you. The truth is, color doesn't just communicate with others, it also communicates with you. Take black, for instance. Wearing it to an important meeting is often tied to feelings of control and power. Black is favored by people who want to project authority. However, studies show it can also create emotional distance, meaning that while you may feel powerful, you might come across as unapproachable. So, how can you resolve this? This is where contrast and adaptation come into play. Adding an accessory in a softer tone, like a cream scarf or a beige bag, can temper the intensity of colors like black or red. This doesn't diminish the impact of the main color, but creates a balance that conveys both power and accessibility. At its core, colors are a language you speak every day, even unconsciously. The key lies in translating that language strategically, so it works in your favor rather than against you. Every shade carries an emotion and a message. What story do you want your colors to tell? How colors affect your confidence and shape your nonverbal communication? When you pick out your outfit in the morning, it might seem like a simple decision, but your brain is already working in the background, linking each color to specific sensations and emotions. Neurologically, colors activate parts of the limbic system, which governs your emotions. What's fascinating is how your color choice also influences how others perceive you. For example, wearing blue can make you feel calm and composed, but in a more relaxed setting, it might create an emotional barrier, making you seem distant. Understanding colors is like learning a new language, essential for effective communication. Take red, for instance. It increases the heart rate of both the wearer and the observer. This intensity can work to your advantage in situations where you want to stand out, but in environments requiring empathy and collaboration, its impact can backfire. What communicates strength in one context might come across as aggression in another. The trick? Adjusting the tone and saturation to balance perception. The impact of colors doesn't stop there. Green, for example, is closely associated with feelings of balance and renewal. The brain links green to nature and safety, making it a color that conveys accessibility and trust. However, in more formal settings, green might be seen as too casual, potentially undermining your presence. The solution? Pair green with neutral tones like gray or beige to maintain an air of credibility, while preserving its positive effects. Now, let's talk about self-esteem. Yellow, for instance, can boost your mood by stimulating the release of dopamine, known as the motivation molecule. Yellow is strongly tied to creativity and optimism. However, in environments that demand focus, too much yellow can become overwhelming, even anxiety-inducing, due to its high visual stimulation. The key here is moderation. Incorporate yellow in accessories or subtle details to brighten your look without overpowering it. The science behind colors goes beyond aesthetics. It shapes your social interactions. Shades of blue, for example, are highly effective in building trust during negotiations. Yet, light blue, while calming, might be perceived as lacking assertiveness. How do you strike the right balance? Pair softer blues with structured cuts or accents in stronger colors to project both serenity and authority. Colors, ultimately, act as a silent message you send before you even speak. They can amplify your confidence or contradict what you intend to communicate. The secret lies in understanding how each color evokes emotions and translates those messages for yourself and for others. So, as you open your wardrobe, remember, you're choosing more than just clothes. You're selecting the exact tone of the story you want to tell that day. How to choose colors that reflect your essence and boost your confidence. Have you ever worn something in a color you love, only to feel it didn't quite fit the moment or even yourself? Colors have a direct impact on your energy and how others perceive you. Yellow, for instance, is vibrant and full of life, but in excess, it can be overwhelming and even create discomfort for those around you. Choosing the right color is a delicate balance between personal expression and strategic intention. Using lighter colors like beige or pastels in enclosed spaces can reduce stress levels by up to 30%. These soft tones have a calming effect on the nervous system. Incorporate Incorporating them into your home or office can create a peaceful haven. However, if you're naturally extroverted, such a neutral environment might feel dull. The solution? Add vibrant accents such as orange throw pillows or red decorative items to balance tranquility with dynamism. When it comes to fashion, black is a favorite for many women, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Black exudes power and elegance. It's consistently rated as the most assertive color in studies. However, it can also make you appear unapproachable in situations that require warmth or empathy. Pairing black with warm accessories such as pink or gold creates a visual harmony that retains strength while inviting human connection. If you think bold colors aren't for you, it's worth exploring subtle personalization. Red may feel intense, but a red lipstick or a small detail like a red handbag can add a focal point that enhances your confidence without overpowering your outfit. Even small touches of vibrant colors can elevate perceptions of energy and enthusiasm. It's not about avoiding a color, it's about finding the right dose that suits your personality. Another important strategy is to align your color choices with your current context or phase in life. Navy blue, for example, is perfect for formal settings as it conveys stability and reliability, qualities supported by studies on nonverbal communication. However, wearing navy blue at social events can make you seem less approachable. Pairing a navy dress with gold accessories or colorful shoes resolves this tension, highlighting both your confidence and your openness. Ultimately, choosing colors goes beyond aesthetics. It's about expressing your essence while conveying the message you want others to perceive. When planning an outfit or redesigning a space, ask yourself, does this color reflect who I am and what I want others to see? If the answer is yes, you've already taken the first step toward creating confidence and presence with purpose. The impact of colors on the small decisions that transform your routine. Have you ever wondered why some people instantly exude confidence when they enter a room while others fade into the background? Often, the secret lies in their choice of colors. Take, for instance, a study where job candidates wearing red were perceived as more ambitious and energetic. However, they were also seen as less cooperative in team-oriented roles. This means the color that highlights your personality might, depending on the context, create an unintended barrier. Colors matter far beyond the workplace. Have you noticed how lighter tones like soft yellow or orange can make social spaces feel warmer and more inviting? Studies show that rooms decorated with yellow can increase feelings of well-being by up to 20%. But this same effect can be overwhelming in an office where focus is key. Instead, opting for calming shades like blue or soft green might be better for maintaining productivity without sacrificing your energy. Now, think about a social event. Choosing black or navy might feel like the safest option, but you risk blending in with the crowd. People who wore unique colors, like emerald green or deep purple, were perceived as more memorable and creative in social settings. This suggests that small, bold choices, like a colorful bag or vibrant shoes, can significantly elevate your presence. Even more fascinating is how colors shape how you feel internally. Warm tones like red and orange can increase your heart rate and boost enthusiasm, while cooler tones like blue and green reduce anxiety and promote mental clarity. Choosing the right color isn't just about making an impression. It's a tool for adjusting your emotional state before important moments. The solution? Experiment. For instance, if you lack energy during morning meetings, try adding a yellow or red accessory to your outfit to invigorate your mood. But if the occasion calls for calmness, a gray or lavender blazer might help you project serenity. It all comes down to understanding the psychological effects of colors and using them with intention. In the end, colors aren't just about what you wear or how you decorate. They influence how you feel and how the world responds to you. Experimenting with colors in your daily routine, even in small ways, can transform your energy, boost your productivity, and improve your social interactions. The question is, what impact do you want to create today? The invisible message of colors in your daily life. Have you ever walked into a meeting or social event and felt the atmosphere shift, either heavy or vibrant, before anyone even spoke? This isn't a coincidence. The colors in the room and on the people around you play a critical role. For example, wearing shades of gray to a job interview might convey neutrality and professionalism, but it could also give off an impression of apathy or low energy. Choosing the right colors can be the turning point in how you're perceived. Color psychology reveals that every shade triggers specific reactions. Offices dominated by light blue, for instance, see a 15% increase in productivity because the color reduces stress levels. This is due to the brain's association of blue with stability. However, overly cool tones can stifle creativity, particularly in tasks requiring innovation. Mixing blue with touches of yellow or orange can strike a balance between focus and inspiration. Now picture yourself at a formal dinner. Wearing black might seem like a guaranteed success since it communicates authority and elegance. But at a casual gathering or among friends, black can create a sense of distance, undermining warmth and connection. In these cases, colors like red or burgundy might serve you better, radiating energy and confidence without being overly dominant. This isn't just about clothing. The impact of colors extends to the environments you occupy. A room painted in soft green can encourage relaxed conversations during social gatherings, while white walls accented with vibrant colors like yellow or red cushions can spark more dynamic and lively interactions. Spaces that incorporate a variety of colors have been shown to boost creativity and well-being by up to 25%. The real magic begins when you start experimenting. Need more energy for a busy day of meetings? Incorporate orange or coral accents into your outfit. Want to calm your nerves before a big presentation? Try shades like lavender or teal. These choices go beyond aesthetics. They're tools to fine-tune your emotional state and the message you project. The colors you choose daily aren't just visual accessories. They shape how you feel, how others perceive you, and the energy of the spaces you inhabit. Experimenting with different shades, whether in your wardrobe or your surroundings, is a powerful way to align your confidence with the outcomes you seek. So the question is, what invisible message are you ready to send today? Ready to take action? As we've seen, colors go far beyond what meets the eye. They shape your emotions, influence how others see you, and even help you command a room. But here's the question: how do you put this into practice? You already know that blue conveys calm and red, power. But what about a neutral color like black? Is it always a safe choice, or could it sometimes dim your personality in specific situations? Here's the challenge. Black can be a powerful ally in any season, but only if you know how to pair it strategically to balance its intensity and add vitality to your look. If you want to discover the secrets to wearing black flawlessly in every season, while continuing to radiate confidence, elegance, and purpose, watch the video, How to Wear Black in Every Season and Always Look Elegant. It might just transform how you view this timeless yet complex color. Let's recap what we've learned today. Colors are more than just aesthetics, they're tools. You've discovered how they influence mood, shape others' perceptions, and directly impact your confidence. You've learned that red can be your ace or your mistake depending on the context, and that even neutral choices require intention. If there's one phrase to summarize it all, it's the right color is power. Write this in the comments if you enjoyed the video. If you want to keep learning how to turn elegance into a profitable skill, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Subscribing is part of your commitment to growth and showing the world that elegance is key to success. Check the pinned comment for links to carefully curated elegant products. They're the first step in your journey to stand out. See you in the next video.